Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. In today's video, I will talk about B2 German examination pattern and how can you score very good marks. Just small tips. Some of you are already aware. I have already made many videos about this topic. B2 Prüfungsvorbereitung. There are different parts, so we'll start with today's class, today's lesson, so that you don't have any problem. In case still you are finding it difficult, please write below in the comment or drop us an email. Will definitely help you out. So B2 exam preparation, B2 exam preparation or B2 Prüfungsvorbereitung. There are 4 skills, reading, writing, speaking and listening, and you have to pass in each of these paper. Reading, writing, speaking and listening. You have to score individually 60% marks. Remember, minimum 60% marks in each. Then you will pass this examination. And you have to be very, very careful while writing, reading, listening and speaking. Okay? There is no negative marking and try to attempt all the questions given in each paper, and time management is very, very important for all these papers. Now you can appear for either these 2 papers and later on rest of the 2 papers. It's depend upon the schedule, exam schedule. Go and check out the examination website and do register yourself timely only if you are well prepared. You can give in one go all 4 papers, or you can give one by one, first 2 and then rest of the 2 papers, whatever you want. Reading, writing, reading, speaking, listening, reading. It depends upon the examination schedule I am already saying. Now reading section, lesson, we say lesson, reading section. It has 5 parts. So time management is very, very important. It is often seen that students miss their paper because in some part they devote 15-20 minutes. So this is the reason for another section they don't have much time. So just keep an eye on the watch and set the time while during the practice. 12 minutes, 30 minutes for each section. Suppose there are 5 sections in reading, so 12 into 5, 60 minutes. 1 hour is sufficient. Don't spend more than 1 hour. So when you do practice, set a timing and then you will see are you able to finish your reading section within the given time, because under pressure you make lot of mistakes and after that you realize that you were already aware about the paper, you knew the paper, you could have done better, but because of shortage of time you could not do. So it was not shortage of time, it was your lack of time management. Now second is Schreiben, writing section. Again there are 2 parts you have to do writing. One is email and one is Forumbeitrag you have to write. It's totally about writing section. You have to write very good answers. You can score 90% or 100% marks in Schreiben, there is no problem. Again you have to take care of few things like starting, if you are writing a letter, half formal, starting, ending, small capital letters, verb noun combinations and sentence formation, structure of the sentences, and also use good vocabulary as per the B2 level standard. I have made lot of videos on the B2 vocabulary. Please go to the playlist of B2 and check out. It will be helpful for you. So take care of all these things, and at the end how to end, how to address in an email, half formal, how to address sehr geehrter, lieber and ending, Schluss, how to end email. This is very, very crucial. So you must know all these things, and in the another part you have to write about your opinion. So be careful while writing your opinion, how to express yourself. You should know there is a proper structure, proper format. Noun, verb, Vorbendung we say, Nomen, Verb, Verbindung. Use them as much as. Use fixed verb plus prepositions. Use fixed preposition plus adjectives as much as possible. This is going to be very, very helpful. So you should have proper strategy. It's not difficult at all, but you should be smart enough. If you are smart, you can prepare well and you can score definitely 90% or above in B2 examination. Yes, it is very much possible. Next is Sprechen, speaking part. Again there are 2 parts. Vortrag halten, I have already made video. Again I repeat, Vortrag halten, you have to give a speech like you have done in B1 level, but standard is bit higher. Again you have to take care of the vocabulary and mistakes. Avoid mistakes as much as possible. Don't make mistakes and take care of your fluency. Don't speak so much slow and don't speak fast. just moderate level you have to maintain. You have to tell the examiner that you are able to speak German. This is the main idea. And then discussion, you will have a discussion with another candidate. So here listen carefully what another candidate is asking, so reply accordingly and just lead a conversation. Speaking exam, you basically test your speaking skills, communication skills. Are you able to communicate with someone in German? If yes, definitely you will pass with good marks. And last is Hören, listening skills. There are 4 Tyler, 4 parts. Very important. Again I say, listening skills, if you want to improve, there is only one method. Listen every day. Everyday practice is very important. Don't ignore anything. Everyday practice can make you perfect. One audio is sufficient. Behind your exam preparation book there is a DVD. Listen to that DVD again and again. Any audio of P2 level, listen. Just listen again and again. First time you will not be able to listen, you will not be able to understand. Second time you will have some better idea. Third time much better. The more you listen, the more understanding you will develop. This is the fact. And again I am telling, for listening, don't worry, just use one audio as per your level and listen again and again. Definitely you will get success. Now I wish you all a lot of good success for your upcoming exams. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.